My name is Travis Cameron. I work with Northwest Wine Maintenance, and a typical day is all over the place. Anywhere from fixing a plug to fixing a hose to hanging a picture, plumbing in a tank, dealing with breakdowns. Busy day every day. So our reason for the new air compressor and nitrogen generator is for our bottling line upgrade. We went from 350,000 cases a year to this is going to be double that with this new line. In doing so, it's got a cleaning system in it that you can either use with water, air, or nitrogen to clean the bottles out. And it's a really hog when it comes to using nitrogen. So instead of air and water, we just use nitrogen for the bottles, and that's the main reason for the whole upgrade was for the nitrogen and purity of it. We have house air and nitrogen already, but it wasn't enough for this new upgrade. And what we just did now is isolated just for the new lines, and all the original is still for the cellar and the rest of the facility. So now we have 2 nitrogen generators and 2 air compressors. We have a Parker nitrogen generator already, so I know we wanted to kind of stay in that ballpark, that manufacturer, but luckily you guys supply that, so it worked out. When you have 20 doers, that takes up a lot of real estate, moving them around, and it can get pretty expensive too. Just the shuffle of getting them on the phone and getting the stuff lined up to be there at a certain date, that doesn't always work out, so having a nitrogen generator is really nice. No, that's the thing where Kyle really helped out. I had a list of demands that each piece of equipment was going to require. All I did was give him all the data sheets on each piece and said, this is what I need. I don't know how to get it to where we're going to need it or how much we're going to need. Kyle figured that all out, the size of piping for everything, and very helpful. Very helpful. We couldn't have figured that out. Sure, we would have got it wrong. There's a lot of wineries that have made the wrong move, put in the wrong stuff, and not done things right. So it's nice to have it done right. They've done all the service on all the equipment since I've started, so I haven't really had to do anything other than make a phone call and make sure I'm here when they do the service. They've been here from day one and taking care of everything. You guys pick a day and we'll go with that. It's always like, I've got this one day with this 1 hour window. Can you help me out? And you always help me out with it. Even if it's on a Saturday or overtime, it's been very helpful. And that's basically the reason why we stuck with Rogers with the new upgrade. Just because it's been so helpful throughout all the years.